Hey guys, OC's Weaponry here, back with another video. Sorry I've been absent from uploading videos this couple of weeks. I promised to make it up to you with this short film / DIY video, and stay tuned. So, either you're about to fall asleep and you wake up to watching this, or you purposely watch this. You know what this video is about. Maybe not, but it is a mini motorcycle / dirt bike course DIY / short film. What you need for the video is obviously a dirt bike / motorcycle, mini model, of course, and dirt. Well, that's sand, but dirt. Oh, and the last thing that you would want is a file. Any type of file would work, just to sand down some of the dirt from the course. What you will need the file for is to sand down these ramps, make them real smooth, then cover it with this nice, just grainy dirt. So all you really need most, some dirt and some water. Mix the dirt with water and make it clay. You know how it works. Alright, now that you know how to do all of this by yourself, I will show you my version of it. First, gotta put this on.